How to download and install TikTok Studio on your phone. To download, first open Play Store or App Store. After that, go to search and then search for TikTok Studio. After that, click on the TikTok Studio. Now click on install. Now it will take a few moments to download and install. Just wait. It's installed. Now let's click on open. And we have installed TikTok Studio on our phone. Now we can log in. Click on continue as your username. And this is the TikTok Studio interface. And that's how you can download and install TikTok Studio to your phone. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.